there is a fall of almost 17-18% in global shipments, so that's not looking very good. Well, that's the first take on the index. Quiet, and the Nifty is absolutely flat, down about 15 odd points. The mid-cap index is trending in the green, but just by a tad bit. Nothing great in the mid-cap index. From the frontliners, it is the auto stocks. Tata Motors is your top gainer, up 5.5%. Bajaj Auto is up 4%. And Dr. Reddy's is up about 2.5%. So keep an eye out on that. M&M as well. All the auto stocks actually are topping the charts. Maruti Suzuki too is up about 0.6%. The other pocket that's looking good is FMCG. So you have ITC, HUL, Britannia that are all in the green. And a couple of other names in the FMCG space are not looking too bad. Nestle is also in the green. Tata Consumer is in the green as well. Even Pharma, Apollo Hospital, Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy's I spoke about a while back. So Pharma, FMCG and autos are the three pockets that are holding the market up. On the downside, Adani Group stocks, Adani Ports is down 5%, Adani Enterprises down 2%. Reliance is dragging a tad bit, and banks, ICICI, HDFC, Axis, SBI, all in the red, down about 1 to 3 odd %. So it's a weak opening for the market, dragged down once again by the Adani Group stocks. Ambuja Cement is also down. It was a big loser last week, big loser a couple of days ago. So that one is seeing some more pressure. But otherwise, the Bank Nifty is the one that's really taking it on the chin now. 570 points gone on the Bank Nifty, so quite a weak opening.
Well, it's a weak opening, Sonia, no questions about that. And the Nifty Bank is the one that's sticking up, pounding, which is getting a little bit worrying. You know, you want the Nifty Bank to bounce off these levels of around 41,000 odd, otherwise it could get rather ugly. So let's keep an eye on that. For the time being, 550 points lower. In terms of stocks that are moving around, Amara Raja, that's flying away. That's up close to around 4% in otherwise wobbly market. So let's pull up that one. CEAT as well. Well, it was a mixed set of numbers that did come out, but the stock has opened up with a gain of close to around 1%. So good going out there. VIP Industries, well, the travel resumption has helped them in terms of their numbers. The volumes as well were up by close to around 25%. But the stock, remember, has run up, big time. So there is some profit taking that's coming about. Tata Motors DVR as well as participating. That stock is flying away. It's moving in tandem with the Tata Motors stock on the back of positive numbers. Dixon Technologies, the flip-flop on the guidance, 15,000 crores in October. It came down to around 14,000 crores in December. Now they're talking about 12,500 crores. Well, the market doesn't like it one bit. It's down close to around 10%, and there is no clarity on FY24. Hence, that stock is under pressure. A couple of other stocks with the broader markets, which are doing pretty well. Ugro Capital, well, that's up and about. Strong all-round performance that we saw there, Ugro Capital. So let's pull that one up. Jindal Saw as well, another smaller name. We don't talk about that very often. Well, that stock as well is up close to around 5%. The numbers look pretty good. Margins are pretty good. And they've done some bit of deleveraging as well in the past. They have flattened to deceive, but for the timing, that stock has opened up well in the green. Cipla as well had opened up in the red, and Patanjali is down close to around 5% as we speak. So plenty of stocks that are moving around. Prashant, what else?
Nigel, the big pressure is coming, as you said, from banks, right? And it's not looking good because it's basically broken below the 26th of December low. Any hope that this was to be some sort of a double bottom, I think that is completely out of the way. That level was 41,569. We're at 4,800. So well and truly below that level in one full swoop. So let's just take a look at a few other names, and right out of the gates, volume-led activity is huge. You can see that in HDFC Bank. The intraday should come up. The HDFC Bank is not what we talk at 9:15 or highlight, but look at the activity on that one. For this time of the day, even on a name like that, check out volumes. It's down 3. You've got Adani Enterprises. So Ports is the one which sold off on Wednesday, the last trading session. Enterprises is down 4.5%. So that's a 150 rupee knock. ICICI Bank is down about 2.5%. I'm just kind of going in a descending order in terms of what's coming up on the volume-led losers list. And ICICI Bank is there. Axis is there with a 2% cut. Dixon is limit down. It's kind of rare to see.